Oh, Kenny, you know what's awesome? Amp steps are awesome. But what's not awesome is mounting them to our Broncos and F-Series. Until now. Here at OBS Solutions, we crunched the math, did the science, if you will. And one thing we found out is that the structural integrity of our OBS Fords is not in the floor pan, it's in the seatbelt rib and the rocker rib. Now, we've installed several of our competitors' amp step brackets, and they do not tie these two together, kind of like how this factory bracket is. Well, ours do, and we're going to show you how. Oh, thanks, Kenny. Right here you can see, people, it's a complete kit. Everything you need, hardware, all the brackets, even comes with a car freshener and sticker, but that's not the cool part. Cool part is this right here, our meat and potatoes part. This right here, get in here, Kenny, check this out. These two braces do the business. It ties the outside rocker rib to our seatbelt rib like I talked about. The important part is that all that weight on your step, because when you step on it, it's way out here, it transfers it to that seatbelt rib, which we found out is one of the most important and most structural part of our trucks. All right, let's get into this. First thing you guys notice, our step is level, unlike the competitors. When we installed the competitor's product, the first thing we noticed was the step was either too low in the back, too high in the front, or vice versa. It just sat like shit. Next thing, can you get in here? You'll notice I told you guys, we want to join our rocker rib to our seatbelt rib. How we did that and still made them adjustable was that we used two brackets on this rocker and we sandwiched that rib together. Then we put it on a hinge system, if you will, transfers all the weight over to a heim on the seatbelt rib that's totally adjustable, front and back. That way, when you close the door, your step is now level, folded in or folded out. All right, the second problem we had with our competitor's product, the wiring. It sucked. Why do you ask? Well, because the amp module requires a ground signal to trigger the step to unfold, and our factory door jab switches run off of power. And that's not really that big a deal, but kind of made a pain in the ass because you'd have to set relays and reverse polarity and all that stuff, where we said, let's make it easy for people and we just give you your own switch. Very simple, easy peasy. The other thing, Oscar kind of came up with this great idea that we give you a bracket so you can mount the amp module in a location, depending on if you own a Bronco, F1, or extended cab or crew cab. That way, our wiring instructions are easy for you guys, and we give you diagrams as well. Very cool. Anything else, Kenny?
Yeah, show me how it works.
I'll do the roar. Here we go. Science. Thanks, everyone. Amp step brackets on the website, obssolutions.net.